Hello dear, I hope all of you are on cloud 9 these days. It means you are having a lot of success and a lot of happiness these days. So let's begin the video, which is about modern idioms. The first is to put up with. It means to tolerate or to bear something. How can you use it in a sentence? You can say, how do you put up with him in such fussy situation? Right? The very next is no fuss, no muss. It means very quick and easy, without any complexity or complications. I mean, this is no fuss, no muss for me. Or teaching is like no fuss, no muss for me. Right? The very next is cut to the chase. It means to get to the main point without beating about the bush. Right? So that's called cut to the chase and come to the point. Where next is come in handy. It means be useful. You have to save the batteries. It might come in handy later. Right? You have to save the batteries, or you have to save the batteries of something. No, not that word batteries, but you have to save the leftover of something. It might come in hand someday, right? The very next is clear the air. It means to clear the misunderstanding. Let's clear the air between both of you. Right? So that's what you meant by clear the air, to clear the misunderstanding. The very next is break the ice. It means to start the conversation. Means you are at somewhere and you meet someone you don't know. So you have to break the ice. Means you have to initiate. You have to take the first step to talk to that person, right? So you have to break the ice. Move on to next, which is spill the beans. It means to reveal the secret, let the cat out of the bag, or I know one more idiom, but it just slips in my mind. I'll let you know in the next video. So these are all considered like reveal the secret. Let the cat out of the bag or spill the beans means reveal the secret, tell me the secret. Now the very next is under the weather. It means feeling sick. I am under the weather because the weather is so hot. It means you're sick because of the weather, because it's hot out there, so that's why you got sick. And the last one is once in a blue moon. It means something that happens very rarely, or an event that not happening every single day. That is not happening every single day. It means that happen only once in a year or in days. So one basic thing that I want to tell you is that it's not a language that you can speak by only listening. You need to practice it every single day, no matter if you get stuck or if your tongue is slipping something. Just practice without any hesitation. Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Goodbye.